Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to select a funeral program template. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making great content to equip you during a time of loss. Funeral program templates are a quick and easy way to produce funeral or obituary programs for a wake, funeral, or memorial service. A funeral program is also referred to as many different names, but it is simply a printed memorial which lists the details of the service ceremony. It also contains biographical information and key milestones of your loved one's life. Other items for inclusion can be favorite scriptures, poems, or sayings. There is no limit on what you can include within the program, so you can be as creative as you like. In order to produce this cherished memorial, the quickest way is to utilize a funeral program template. These are pre-designed documents with background graphic and text placeholders included for the information and photos you may want to add. Funeral program templates can be found in a variety of presentations or styles and is a digital or downloadable purchase. When choosing a template, you will first need to decide what size and style you would like. Often the amount of information you want to include will dictate the size program you use. It is best to gather all your information first and then determine your size, so you are able to see the amount of information you have prior to making your selection. Then you will need to select the background design. Available themes may include, but are not limited to, faith-based, florals, landscapes, career, or hobbies. Selecting a background that is an extension of your loved one's personality adds a custom element to the program. All of our templates are designed so it can be used with or without a front cover photo. You are also able to edit all the text and photo boxes within the template. Next, determine which software you will be using to make your program. If you choose Word, Publisher, or Apple Pages, ensure you have the software installed on your computer. If you do not have the necessary software, consider using Google Docs or our online editor to edit our template. We also recommend these for those who desire a more intuitive interface with minimal to no learning curve. Our online superstore is fully stocked with every size and template style available today. Our collections are presented in an organized fashion to enhance your shopping experience. We are the leader in the industry, so our template layouts are the most current, with new designs created daily. Check out our collections and various choices, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.